Hi, my name is Shay here at Healey Brothers in Goshen, New York. I'm a delivery coordinator here, and I'm just going to show you how to create an account for Ford Pass and how to get you started. All right, so first you're going to create an account, and you're just going to fill in the blanks, so first name, last name. And then you're going to put in your email. And then you're going to create a password. It has to have a capital and a number and at least 6 characters long. And you're going to accept Ford's terms and conditions and then hit next. You're going to create a 4-digit PIN for security purpose. And you're going to confirm it. You can enable your Touch ID just to make going into your Ford Pass account just a little bit more convenient for you. And you can take the tour, but we're going to hit skip for now, and I'll give you the grand tour. So we're going to select Add Vehicle, and then it'll prompt you to put in your home address. So let's go ahead and fill that in. Put in your zip code. Putting in your phone number is optional. I'm going to skip that for right now. And now it comes time to add your vehicle by the VIN number. You have the option to enter it manually, or you can hit this little camera icon right here, which will allow you to scan your VIN. So you can either add your VIN either by scanning it either on the door panel here, or you can scan the barcode on your window sticker as well. I'm going to go ahead and do it on the door panel. And we're just going to, and that's it. So once you scan your VIN, you'll see your vehicle pop up in your Move section in your Ford Pass app, and we're just going to complete the process by selecting Vehicle Details. And we're going to go ahead and activate your vehicle. This will give you a pop-up on your vehicle's touchscreen system. All you're going to do is hit Allow to connect both the vehicle and the Ford Pass app together, so you can utilize all the features of unlocking, locking, and starting your vehicle all from your smartphone. So I'm going to go ahead and test this out just by simply pressing and holding the lock button. And what's really neat about this is that it'll not only lock your vehicle, but also let you know that your driver's side door is ajar. You can do the same thing to unlock, press and hold. And also starting your vehicle, that'll regulate the climate on its own, stay on for 15 minutes, and then you also have the option to add additional time and also shut off your vehicle all from your phone.